Tesla's semi-truck motorhome. A groundbreaking concept that blends the rugged capabilities of an electric truck with the luxurious amenities of a high-end motorhome, perfect for eco-conscious travelers. Its sleek, aerodynamic design minimizes drag while ensuring efficient performance on the road. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin featuring a central seating position for great visibility, along with high-quality materials and a minimalist aesthetic. The living area includes a versatile seating arrangement that converts into a comfortable bed, and the fully equipped kitchenette allows for easy meal prep with energy-efficient appliances. Advanced technology, such as a large touchscreen interface, controls navigation and entertainment, while smart lighting and climate control enhance comfort. As an all-electric vehicle, the semi-truck motorhome utilizes Tesla's supercharger network for rapid charging, making long-distance travel convenient and sustainable. With its innovative design and commitment to eco-friendliness, the Tesla semi-truck motorhome is the ultimate choice for adventurers looking to explore the great outdoors without sacrificing comfort or style. The WILLIE Transparent LCD Bus. Concept goes beyond being just a mode of transportation. It's a futuristic blend of smart technology and sustainable urban mobility. The bus is equipped with innovative transparent LCD panels on its windows, turning its entire body into a dynamic display. This enables it to transform from transparent to opaque screens, broadcasting ads, news, and travel information. Inside, passengers can still enjoy views of the city while staying updated with information displays tailored to their journey. Running on eco-friendly power sources, the WILLIE bus combines sleek design, practicality, and a unique advertising platform, promoting a greener, more immersive urban transit experience. It's a forward-thinking solution designed to make public transportation both functional and entertaining, paving the way for the cities of tomorrow. The Hyundai trailer drone concept is a futuristic, hydrogen-powered, autonomous transport system designed to reshape the logistics and freight industry. Revealed by Hyundai as part of their vision for smart, sustainable mobility, the trailer drone concept is a fully autonomous trailer system powered by hydrogen fuel cells, providing a zero-emission solution for long-haul cargo transport. Unlike conventional trucks, the trailer drone doesn't require a driver. Instead, it relies on advanced robotics and autonomous driving technology, allowing it to navigate independently or in a convoy, optimizing space and efficiency in busy transport environments. What makes the trailer drone unique is its modular structure, with each trailer equipped with dedicated e-bogies, which are smart, self-powered platforms that can move in all directions, even sideways, for ultimate maneuverability. This flexibility allows the trailer drone to access tight urban spaces and handle complex loading environments, all while maintaining a smooth, efficient journey. Powered by hydrogen, it achieves long ranges with quick refueling, making it a viable, sustainable solution for extended routes. The Hyundai HDC6 NEPTUNE is a futuristic concept truck designed to showcase Hyundai's vision for zero-emission, hydrogen-powered commercial vehicles. Here are some key features. Hydrogen fuel cell powertrain. The HDC6 NEPTUNE is powered by a hydrogen fuel cell, making it an environmentally friendly option with zero carbon emissions. Retro-futuristic design. Inspired by the streamliner railway trains of the 1930s and 1940s, the NEPTUNE combines retro aesthetics with modern technology. Its design features Art Deco elements and a distinctive grille that spans the lower portion of the truck. Advanced cooling system. The truck's grille helps with airflow and cooling, essential for the hydrogen fuel cell system. Eco-friendly trailer. The NEPTUNE is paired with the HT Nitro Thermotech trailer, which features a cryogenic refrigeration system developed with Air Liquide. This system reduces the truck's overall carbon footprint by up to 90%. Innovative interior. The interior is designed for functionality and comfort, with a modern layout and advanced in-cab technology. The Mercedes-Benz Future Bus. With City Pilot is well able to meet this challenge. It has a top speed of 70 km/h on the open road, is able to recognize obstacles and pedestrians on the road, comes to a precise halt at bus stops, opens and closes its doors, moves off automatically and communicates with traffic light systems. Throughout the journey, the driver does not need to operate the accelerator or brake at all. and only needs to take the wheel in accordance with traffic regulations when there is oncoming traffic. However, the driver is able to intervene at any time and immediately take control if required. Mercedes-Benz Future Bus with City Pilot, the future of the city bus has begun. It is ideally suitable for BRT systems, with which it is possible to resolve worldwide traffic problems in densely populated areas and metropolitan regions. It operates highly efficiently, significantly improves the level of safety and relieves driver workload. Daimler Buses is thereby developing the bus transport system of tomorrow. Ford F-Vision Electric Truck. A revolutionary concept set to change the future of electric commercial vehicles. Unveiled at the 2019 IAA Commercial Vehicles Show, this truck boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that enhances efficiency and reflects Ford's commitment to sustainability. With a fully electric powertrain, the F-Vision delivers impressive torque and range, making it perfect for modern freight transport. Inside, the spacious cabin features a high-tech digital dashboard for real-time data exchange, optimizing route planning and fleet management. Enhanced with semi-autonomous driving capabilities, it improves safety and reduces driver workload on long hauls. The electric powertrain significantly lowers greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to a greener future, while its efficient energy management system maximizes battery performance for longer journeys with less frequent charging. The Ford F-Vision electric truck is more than just a vehicle, it represents a bold vision for eco-friendly transportation, paving the way for a sustainable and efficient future in the trucking industry. Volvo Vera Autonomous Truck. Volvo Trucks is now presenting a new transport solution consisting of autonomous electric commercial vehicles that can contribute to more efficient, safer, and cleaner transportation. The Volvo Vera concept is intended to fit into the current logistics industry and to transport goods on repetitive routes over relatively short distances between fixed predetermined hubs. According to Volvo, the Vera is equipped with the same technology found in its 2018 electric trucks. Her motors have a maximum power rating of nearly 500 horsepower and her battery capacity is up to 300 kWh with a reported max range of around 186 miles. It's not clear when the Vera will go into series production or become commercially available. Volvo didn't set a solid date for implementing the technology. They say that there are still a lot of legislative and logistical issue to sort out with something like this, but if it all works out, Volvo claims an autonomous trucking system using Vera would ideally be more efficient and able to cut down on the number of excess stock companies need to keep around. It would be amazing if we hear more about this amazing concept, and let's hope Volvo starts putting some work and effort into this huge idea. Transit Elevated Bus. The bus would run along a fixed route, its passenger compartment spanning the width of 2 traffic lanes. Its undercarriage rides along the edges of the 2 lanes it straddles, and the overall height is 4,000 to 4,500 millimeters, 13 feet 1 inch to 14 feet 9 inches. Vehicles lower than 2,000 millimeters, 6 feet 7 inches high will be able to pass underneath the bus, reducing the number of traffic jams caused by ordinary buses loading and unloading at bus stops. Passengers on board the bus are expected to experience a ride comparable to riding in the upper level of a double-decker bus. They will board and alight at stations at the side of the road with platforms at the bus floor heights similar to stations of an elevated railway, or via stairs descending through the roof of the bus from a station similar to a pedestrian overpass. The bus will be electrically powered using overhead lines or other roof electrical contact systems designed for it, supplemented with photovoltaic panels, batteries, or supercapacitors on board. It will travel at up to 60 km per hour, 37 miles per hour. IVECO Z Truck is a visionary concept vehicle designed to redefine long-haul trucking with a focus on zero emissions, safety, and driver comfort. Introduced by IVECO, the Z Truck is powered by a sustainable liquefied natural gas (LNG) engine, aiming for a carbon-neutral footprint and representing the future of eco-friendly freight. The Z in its name stands for zero, highlighting IVECO's goal of zero emissions, zero accidents, zero stress, and zero waste of time for drivers and operators. One of the standout features of the Z Truck is its fully automated, autonomous driving capabilities, which enable the truck to handle long-distance journeys with minimal driver input, increasing efficiency and safety. The interior cabin is designed as a flexible, multifunctional space that can switch between a workspace, living space, and even a sleeping area, prioritizing the well-being of the driver. In addition to advanced aerodynamics and energy-efficient materials, the Z Truck incorporates cutting-edge digital technologies, such as real-time data monitoring and AI-driven fleet management systems to maximize fuel efficiency and reduce downtime. Next Future Transportation is an innovative company focused on transforming urban mobility with modular, electric, and autonomous transport solutions. Their signature concept, the Next Modular Vehicle, is designed as a network of self-driving pods that can attach and detach from each other on the move. These pods can travel independently or connect to form a larger unit, allowing passengers to move freely between connected modules without stopping. The flexible design enables customized services, from ride-sharing and parcel delivery to mobile offices and even dining spaces, all within a single, adaptable system. Next's approach aims to reduce congestion and emissions in cities by providing a smart, on-demand transportation network. Each pod is electrically powered and fully autonomous, with real-time route optimization and AI-driven fleet management to improve efficiency. By rethinking urban mobility, Next Future Transportation envisions a city where traffic is lighter, emissions are lower, and people can access flexible, personalized transport options that adapt to their needs. The Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, WAVE, is a futuristic concept truck designed to significantly improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. Here are some key features. Hybrid powertrain. The WAVE truck uses a microturbine hybrid powertrain combined with an electric motor and battery storage system. It can run on diesel, natural gas, biodiesel, and potentially other fuels. Aerodynamics. The truck is designed with advanced aerodynamics, achieving 20% less drag compared to traditional trucks, which increases fuel economy by about 10%. Carbon fiber trailer. The trailer is made almost exclusively of carbon fiber, making it lighter and stronger than conventional trailers and saving around 4,000 pounds, 1,814 kilograms. Center driver position. The cab features a center-mounted driver's seat, an all-LCD dash, and a full-sized sleeper. Energy efficiency. The WAVE truck aims to double the fuel efficiency of Walmart's trucking fleet. IVECO Bus E-Way is an advanced, fully electric bus designed to meet the demands of sustainable urban transit. Developed by IVECO, this zero-emission bus offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional diesel-powered vehicles, contributing to cleaner air and quieter streets. The E-Way bus is highly versatile, with multiple length options, 9.5, 12, and 18 meters, and flexible battery configurations, allowing it to adapt to a range of routes and service needs, from city centers to suburban areas. Powered by high-capacity lithium-ion batteries, the IVECO E-Way provides efficient and reliable transport with a range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. Charging options are flexible as well, with overnight depot charging or fast charging via pantograph for continuous service throughout the day. Designed for comfort and accessibility, the E-Way features a spacious, low-floor interior that's easy for all passengers to board, with advanced climate control and user-friendly displays to enhance the rider experience. The NAYA ARMA minibus is a futuristic, autonomous electric minibus developed to enhance urban mobility with a focus on sustainability and flexibility. Designed by the French company NAYA, the ARMA minibus operates autonomously, eliminating the need for a driver and allowing passengers to travel through cities in a fully electric, zero-emission vehicle. This minibus is intended for short, urban routes or controlled environments like business districts, airports, and campuses, where it efficiently transports people while reducing traffic and emissions. Equipped with sensors, cameras, and LiDAR technology, the NAYA ARMA minibus can safely navigate complex urban environments, detect obstacles, and adapt its route in real time, even in busy pedestrian areas. Its spacious, open interior comfortably seats up to 15 passengers, while large windows and a user-friendly digital interface offer a modern, comfortable experience. With remote monitoring capabilities and on-demand services via a mobile app, the NAYA ARMA minibus represents a step forward in smart city transport, blending advanced technology and user convenience to offer a clean, connected, and efficient transit solution for the future of urban mobility. Truck Surf Hotel is a one-of-a-kind, mobile adventure experience that combines the freedom of van life with the comforts of a boutique hotel. Built on a converted Mercedes Actros truck, this unique hotel on wheels travels along the coastlines of Portugal and Morocco, offering surfers and adventurers a chance to explore remote beaches and incredible surf spots. The truck is fully equipped with 2 stories. The lower level includes a cozy lounge area, kitchen, and bathroom, while the upper level has 5 comfortable double rooms with panoramic windows, providing stunning views of nature right from your bed. What makes the Truck Surf Hotel especially unique is its hydraulic expansion system, which transforms it into a spacious, 2-story accommodation on arrival. Guests enjoy a communal vibe, with daily surf sessions, yoga classes, and personalized itineraries crafted by the hosts, offering a mix of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're a seasoned surfer or just looking for a unique way to explore the coastline, the Truck Surf Hotel offers an unforgettable, sustainable travel experience where the journey truly is part of the destination. NIKOLA Tray, a groundbreaking zero-emissions truck designed to transform freight transport with options for both battery electric (BEV) and hydrogen fuel cell (FCEV) models. Built by NIKOLA Corporation, the tray combines cutting-edge technology with sustainability to meet the demands of heavy-duty transport while reducing environmental impact. The BEV model is optimized for shorter urban routes, delivering up to 330 miles per charge, while the hydrogen-powered FCEV version is built for longer hauls, offering up to 500 miles per fill with quick refueling. Inside, the tray provides a modern, spacious cabin with advanced driver assist features and real-time monitoring for added safety. Its electric powertrain not only lowers emissions but also reduces noise, ensuring a quieter and smoother ride. By merging high performance with eco-responsibility, the NIKOLA Tray sets a new standard in green logistics and leads the charge toward a more sustainable future in the trucking industry.